trying to distort how people see you, not realizing that they are about to ruin their whole reputation in doing so. This person has your name in their mouth, obsessed with your life, with your love life. They could be telling people that you are single, struggling to find love. This is their perception. You may have said something to this individual and they ran with it. You may have spoken about an issue that you had with a romantic interest, a person, or maybe they know of a breakup and they fed into this information and it gave them satisfaction. Even if that's not the case, this individual is focused on keeping you single, focused on, gossiping about maybe the lack of love in your life. Or if you're single, they feel as if you are desiring love. You can't find love. You can't find the right match. Telling whoever will listen about your love life. So it's almost as if this person feels like if people find you attractive, if people view you in a high light, if they tell people that you are struggling to find love or that you can't find a partner, which may not be true. This is the distorted view that they have in their head. Because maybe you're a person that does not want to succumb to desperation. Maybe you're choosing to wait to find the right partner, right? Whatever the case is. They are going around telling people this and that about you. It's almost like they want people to feel like, oh, you think they're desirable, but if they were so desirable, how come they can't find a partner? It's almost as if they want people to look at them as though they're the prize, as though, they're in a relationship. They have the manual as to how to hold a partner. But you could be so beautiful or handsome, but yet you're meeting all these F-boys or F-girls, or you can't even find anyone. So surely there must be something wrong with you. They're going to get calmer. Because people are now starting to look at them like, number one, they're not the prize, they're a liability. And number two, why are they talking about you in this way? Because people have a lot of respect for you. And this is one of the reasons why this person is trying to speak ill on your name. Whether they will say that they're doing it is another story. They may be telling people as though they are concerned. They're not concerned. They're trying to damage your reputation because they're jealous of how you are perceived to others. People are seeing that this person is very scattered, and people will feel like, I can't tell you my business because who are you going to tell? You're talking about this person that you're supposed to be close to. Or for some of you, this person is not close to you. This person, they just want to find some type of dirt on you because they're very jealous of you, very jealous of the way people respect you, the way you're classy, the way you carry yourself with elegance, with grace. And they want to, take people's view of you. It's like they want you to be seen as some type of rebel, some type of outcast. Even if you are like a rebel, people are drawn to this. People still have respect for you. People like the fact that you're different, and it's making this person feel trapped in the head. They may have tried to socially isolate you from people to try and plant in people's mind that they're not like us. They're not one of us. They're weird. They're wacky. Whereas people are thinking, wow, they're before their time. Like, I want to get to know that person. That person's energy is cool. Like, I like their vibe. Who is that person? And they're starting to see people gravitate towards you and socially isolate them. You see, the gel that they wanted for you is the one that they're rotting in or will rot in. They thought that they were seen as the leader, spiritual guru, the one with all the answers, the teacher. They can't even lead their own life. Clown. They're trying to capture your star, you see, because they feel like with you around, they are in your shadow. They see that with you, people don't look at class. They don't look at color. They don't look at title or background, that they fight tooth and nail to uphold and hold on to. You're not your average. You could be non-traditional. And they thought that all these differences that you had will make people isolate from you, when in actual fact it's making people be more drawn towards you. They feel isolated now. They feel like an outcast. How they wanted you to feel is how they're feeling. They feel alone. Even when they're around people, they feel like they are invisible. They see how people gravitate towards you because you have natural leadership abilities, highly intellectual, deeply spiritual. And they just feel like a side character because they are. Try to dim your light. It's keeping them in a very depressed state to see that you are being respected, celebrated. This was not part of the plan. Remember, this person tried to take your image, take your whole, identity, because it's like they wanted to destiny swap. They wanted people to view them in the same light. Maybe they feel to themselves, but I'm a Libra and they're a Libra. Say this is an example, right? How come people are not respecting me? Because you act like a clown, fam. You move like a clown. Doesn't matter if you are both Libras. Maybe you could be a first deacon Libra, double Libra, and they could be like a Aquarius Libra. There's differences here. There's levels to this. That's just an example, right? But this person is just thinking to themselves, how come I'm not seen in this way? So they thought that by trying to destroy your reputation, people will look at you as though you are some type of alien or weirdo from another place. And some of you could be different from the people that you are around, and people love it. It's like you're showing people and teaching people about your background. It's like you're schooling people. You're relating to people. You're relating to people that felt like social outcasts. You're relating to people on a human level. This person can't relate to people on a human level. It always has to be some type of scandal, gossip, or, they don't even have a personality. They're realizing now, because you're around, they don't even have a personality. You are everything that they pretended to be. They're seeing that you are loved. They're seeing that people are crushing on you. They're seeing that people don't care about your background or whatever the case is. They're actually infatuated by this fact. They're seeing that you are full of strength, full of power. You've got a lot of energy. You're smegsy. You're athletic. You're a great match. People like to connect with you on a friendship level, on a romantic level. They're seeing that the caliber of partners that you are attracting is ones that would never ever look at them in a romantic way. And that's why they hate you. They're seeing that you're moving forward. After every trick, scheme, plot, plan that they try to put in your way, you're breaking through that. They're seeing that whatever they try to say or do about you, you are reigning supreme. You're shining even brighter. I always say on this channel, shine brighter. Keep shining. You're shining even brighter. You're literally continuing to shine. You've alchemized everything that they've thrown at you and turned it into power, turned it into purpose. You're pouring love into yourself. What do they think? That by trying to downgrade you, you're going to stop respecting yourself and loving yourself? No, that's the energy that they reside in. You refuse to give up on yourself. And they're giving up on trying to destroy you because they've never come across a powerful being like yourself. They're obsessed with you. They're fixated on your energy. There is an intense obsession here that they will deny, but they can't keep their eyes off you. They see the way other people cannot keep their eyes off you because you're magnetic, you're charismatic, and your energy can capture and hold the whole room. Whenever you enter the room, that energy shifts, and they know it. Whenever they enter the room, the energy shifts for the wrong reasons. The energy actually drops. You uplift the vibrational frequency of whatever environment you are around. They make people feel entrapped and caged and make people feel like they have to walk on eggshells. They're unpredictable. People don't trust them. They're wild. They are untamed. And they wonder why people don't want to lock them down. So that's why they try to take your image. That's why they try to deter people away from you. In case people actually get to know you. Because people are taken aback by your charm, your grace. People fall in love with your intellect. your regalness, your self-respect. You sleep easy at night because you're not trying to go around destroying people's career. By all means, if someone tries you, you'll speak out. You're not afraid to mix your words because you believe in fairness, kindness, and balance. And you believe in people not disturbing your peace because you don't go around trying to disturb other people's peace. And that's why you shine, Queen. That's why you continue to attract blessings, King. Because you are focused on being a better version of yourself. You know, it's taken you a long time to get to this point. And you have people fixated on your life, trying to get into groups to intimidate you. The jealousy is real. You're so powerful, because if you weren't so powerful, why does it take up to 3 people or more to try and take you down? This is the type of person to align with your enemies, because they're fearful of what you're going to become, who you're going to become. But you keep smiling, you stay shining, you stay laughing, you stay raising your vibrations, and they're pretending that it's not affecting them, but it is. They try to destroy how people saw you. But this is how people see you. They see you as the sun. And people view this person as jealous of you, trying to hold on to a way of being that has been outgrown. This person is so shocked. They really thought that you will be the joke. They really thought that people will outcast you. Now they're seeing that people are gravitating towards you and people are repelled by their energy. They are shocked that people don't want no parts, and people are seeing them as a falling star. Oh, they could have been so big. Oh, they missed the boat. People are seeing them as bitter. It's coming to the realization of people that they're actually jealous of the way that you shine. This is what they don't understand. People can sense their envy and jealousy of you. People are starting to think that they actually want to be like you. People are going to start to think they are actually a fan. At this point, they should actually ask you for an autograph. Keep shining, king and queens. We ain't got time for these types of people.